gloomy day. That's the reason there is no sunlight, and it's going to be gloomy for like the next 5 days, and it's the reason why I can't film hairstyle videos as well. The lighting sucks. Anyways, so I'm really excited because I made a DIY after like so long. Basically this is like upcycling your denim, and the new style, which I will say like a TikTok inspired denim patches. So I seriously don't know how to name this, so let's just watch the video. I mean, you watch the video and I will just go and change because it's getting so hot. So this is the jeans that I will be working with. As you can see that I have done some DIYs already. This jeans is like 5 years old and I have done this weird thingy like 5 years back. So I'm just gonna cover this thing with the new DIY. And I will be using this pant for making the patches. I've used this pant for so many other DIYs. You can see it's like in a horrible condition. Anyways, the shapes of the patches totally depends on you. However, I cut out like, I don't know, some are square, some are rectangle, and here am I trying to figure out where to place them. Okay, these are like the same denim pieces. It's just one is facing the back side and another is like the blue portion. So that's why it seems like there are two denim pieces, but no, there are like one denim piece. What I'm talking about, but I think you get it. Now, I have watched a lot of YouTube videos on this and many have used this fabric glue. I don't have it, so I'm gonna hand stitch it, and I'm not going to show you the procedure because I suck at hand stitching. However, I will suggest you to use like fabric glue because that's what people are using. You can also cut like bigger pieces of denim. Totally depends on you. For ideas, go check out Pinterest. Okay. Then I thought about coloring like two of the patches, and I'm using a pastel purple. I don't know what is this color. Basically, I mixed a little bit of blue, pink and white, and it gave me this like pastel purple. So after that, I'm placing them like trying to figure out where it looks the best. Again, totally depends on you, and you can do a lot of other things and add a lot of more patches. Sadly, I don't even have a stitching machine, so I'm gonna hand stitch them and come back to you. Okay, I took a long break. It's like 2 a.m. in the morning and I had an idea that I can draw some butterflies because I am like currently obsessed with butterflies. However, if you don't want it, you don't have to do it. And if you want some other patches, you can do it. As I said, the idea is totally like up to you. However, if you are going to paint your denim just like me, then a suggestion, don't use water, just use the color. You guys, it literally took me 3 hours to stitch the patches to the denim. That's the reason why people are using glue. And you should also use glue. But I was too lethargic to go outside, and yeah, so I just felt like, okay, I can do it. And then I started stitching it and I was like, no, I can't curse in this channel. Anyways, I was like, fudge! Now what? I have to just complete it. I have a feeling that many of you are going to comment like that your voice is so freaking annoying. It's just that I am annoyed by my own voice, so I'm sorry for my voice. I thought about adding like these like 2 pink butterflies, but at 4 a.m. I felt like, oh no, I need 2 more butterflies. But I didn't film that, I was just doing it. And yeah, I added 2 more butterflies, blue butterflies. Patch denims were always a thing, but it didn't get that much hype. But I think TikTok brought up like this trend of patch denims because there are like so many DIYs on patch denims on TikTok. So I'm gonna name this the TikTok patch denim. That's a cool name, right? I actually wanted to do this like on one of my new jeans, but then I thought like most of my denims don't fit me. There are like 3 basic pairs which fit me, and this is like a 5 years old denim, but it still does not fit me. It's just that my butt gets smaller and smaller. And as you can see, I added 2 more blue butterflies. today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video if you guys like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. And you guys have requested a lot of hairstyle videos. I am trying to film those videos, but without sunlight I can't make those videos. Like, my hair is black. You won't be able to see hairstyles if I make like the hairstyles at this like lighting. There is no sunlight. I need sunlight for that. So yes, I will make those videos. And subscribe to my channel. Bye. Why did I say bye so quick? But I have nothing else to say. Bye.